Today I am going to discuss about money. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand meaning of money, definition of money, and at last functions of money. So let's start with the first point, meaning of money. A medium of exchange. With the help of money, any exchange of goods and services can take place. Money is said to be the most liquid asset among all the assets of a man. It has general acceptability as a means of payment and liquid characteristics. Now, definition of money. Any object accepted as means of exchange within a society is called as money. Money is anything which is commonly used and generally accepted as a medium of exchange or as a standard of value. And this definition is by Keynes. Money is an economic unit that functions as a generally recognized medium of exchange for transactional purposes in an economy. Now, functions of money. So generally, there are two types of functions of money, primary functions and secondary function. Primary functions is once again divided as medium of exchange and measure of value. Secondary functions is further divided as standard of deferred payments, store of value, transfer of value. Now let's see one by one briefly. So let's start with the first one, medium of exchange. So from the figure you can understand, if you transfer goods and services, then you can use this money as a medium to transfer goods and services. It means that money can be used to make payments for all transactions of goods and services. A buyer can buy goods through money and a seller can sell goods for money. It is an essential function of money. Now, second, measure of value. Money serves as a measure of value. Value of all goods and services is expressed in terms of money. Here you can see each and every product is expressed in terms of money. For determining the market value of a good, service or any other transaction, a unit of account is necessary. It is also known as a measure or standard of relative worth of goods and services and deferred payment. Now, the first one from the secondary function, standard of deferred payment. So, first of all, what do you mean by deferred payment? Temporary postponement of the payment of an outstanding bill or debt, usually involving repayment by installments, or you can say loan arrangement in which the borrower is allowed to start making payments at some specified time in the future. It means that money acts as a standard for making future payments. It has made deferred payments much easier than before. Example, when we borrow money from somebody, we have to return both the principal as well as interest amount in the future. Money is a convenient mode of calculation and payment of interest amount to be paid in the future. Now next, store of value. Money can be easily stored for future use. It is the most convenient and economical means of storing, earning and wealth. Next, transfer of value. Money also serves for transfer of value. It facilitates buying and selling of goods, not only in the domestic country but also in other parts of the world. Value available in the form of asset can be transferred from one person to another with the use of money. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Thanks my dear friends. Press the like button to appreciate this video.